Hey there everyone, it's Chris Segan here, and I want to show you in this first video how to use the local niche search feature of the Niche Spy. And here I've entered the keyword dentist and location of Santa Monica. I'm going to do a search and it's going to search Google Maps and bring back around 200 records. So we'll let the software carry on, and I'll just pause the video and be back in a couple of seconds. Hi, so we've got these results back in 203 records, all of them are dentists in the Santa Monica area. So what can we do from here? Well, obviously I don't want to tell you how to be an offline consultant, but there are some features of the tool that are going to help you. First off, there's a position here or space to enter name and email, because this will save you a CSV file which you can later use to contact these businesses. But we could, for example, open the selected business website. We could send the name of the business. For example, here we have some dentists that don't appear to have websites, so we could send their name through to the domain search and see if that domain is available. And we could also send their name through to the Brainstormer if it was another type of business that featured the niche as part of the business name. Then we might want to send that to the Niche Brainstormer and get back more ideas. What we can do for any of these that have a website is, if we click here on the link, what happens is the website opens up for Whois at domaintools.com to the website details for this business, and in a couple of seconds when that's loaded we'll be able to see if we can find a contact name. And we see we don't really have a contact name, but we do have a contact email address, so that could be useful for us. info@dentistry21.com. And that's how we would store the email address, and we can go through all of these. We recommend it's far better to do this process manually than to trust it to a computer trying to extract the name and the email. Why? Because if you really are going to pick up a client that could be worth several $100s a month, or $1,000 as a one-off transaction, then spending a few moments to check out the details by hand is far better than allowing a computer to do this for you. So for example, in this case, maybe we want to go and open the business website, and we can see then, is there any contact details, is there an about us page. So here we go, we've got our office, our team, appointments. So there are obviously ways to contact this business. Here we see there's an office manager, and we have the phone number. Okay, let's just go into their private site for their email. But we've got enough here, just taking that detail of Lenai as the office manager. We can go back to the software and paste in that. So we've got that contact, and that will show real interest on our part, because clients, they're going to be busy. We need to approach them in the right way, and you know, don't let your marketing be ruined by using some software that promises to automate absolutely everything. They're not going to deliver for you. So those are the features here that we've seen. We've seen that we can get a list of, in this case, dentists in Santa Monica. now let's start again and let's change the location, because we want to make sure that this works in more than one country. So let's put in as another location Torquay. Torquay is a place in England, and we'll do a search, and we can see that here it's bringing back, as we can see by the telephone number, +44, which is the international dialing code for the UK. It's bringing back all of these dental clinics in the Torquay area. So we can see definitely the software is going to work for more than one location. Obviously the keyword that we use, if we're going to search in countries where the language is different, then we would need to use the correct keyword and the correct location. And as we can see, it's getting a very good list of contacts, and lots of them, as we can see, don't have a website. So there's a huge niche here. If you're watching, you're in the UK, you can just replicate this, because town by town you'll find the same issue, that there are those businesses that do have websites and web-based services, and there are probably here 100 that don't. So there's a tremendous opportunity, and the local niche search is one of the features of the Niche Spy, and it's going to help you to get in and dominate niches, because you've got more than this tool. In the next video we'll have a look at the Niche Brainstormer.